welcome to the demo of JTracker. It is a job application tracker software, and currently in this video we will show you the demo of the phase 3 features that we have implemented. The major one being the dockerization of the application. So the main problem that we faced with this project was that we were not able to set it up correctly, and if even if we were able to set it up on one machine, we were not able to set it up on using the same steps on different machines. So the first thing that we thought about this was to dockerize the application as that would help us easily develop and set up the project. And then there are a lot of bugs that are fixed. So like the showing as undefined, then there were authentication related issues on different machines which were not very consistently present, but they just randomly occurred on different machines. Then the match job sections in the software was always throwing an error. So I'll take you through the application, and so now let us go through the application. So to run the application, we just have to run a command called docker compose up. And to set up the applications, we have added clear instructions. Earlier these were not present, and as you can see, the application can be set up in 3 simple steps. And we have also added the instruction to set up the database, which was previously not present. So I have already kept the software up and running, as you can see. So now I'll go to the page. So this is the default page that you see when you are not logged in as a user. I have already created multiple users, so let me go and log into one. So this is the profile that was already created, and let's say like I'm looking for a particular job with some particular experience level. So I'll just add the preference over here, and as you can see, the profile picture is showing up correctly. And in the matches section, as you can see, this profile already had a few jobs wishlisted, and you can also toggle between them. And if you come back to this page again, so these jobs are already there, and these jobs are refreshed like for every 1 hour. So the last time I fetched it was like few minutes ago, so that's why these are not yet refreshed. Earlier they used to refresh on like every visit to the page, and since these are fetched like dynamically based on scraping data, the results were not consistent earlier. So we have fixed this to refresh every 1 hour. Then over here we have the resume upload section. So I have already uploaded my resume. So if I click on download, it will allow me to download my resume. And let's see if I download over here and I open the file, then you can see that it allows me to see my resume that I had already uploaded. The search feature was not working consistently. Oops, it was showing up old job related opportunities, so now we have fixed it. And as you can see, we have also added a progress indicator like this one earlier, which was not present. So as you can see, and on clicking the details, you can see the details of the job that we have scraped. So this is a very short demo of what we have done in phase 3. A lot of UI changes and a lot of bug fixes, and the main focus was on maintainability. There were a lot of components that were class components in React, as the code was very old and the previous team did not work on converting those to functional components, but we took a lot of time to refactor the code, change the components to functional ones. Of course, there are still a few class components present, as changing those had a large effect in the application functionality. So we decided not to touch that code for this release. So that's it for the demo of phase 3 release of the JTracker job application tracking system.